Hey, this is your favorite tech. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to add a local printer to your Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7's computer. So go to the search box real quick, and you're going to type in printer. And it's either going to say printer and devices, or it's going to say printer and scanners, or you can even say add a printer here. So we're going to just go printer and scanners so you can see the area. Typically your printer would show up right here if you already see it. If it doesn't, you're going to click add printer. It's going to load. If you don't have a printer or your printer doesn't show up, you're going to click this printer wasn't listed. And then right here, you can basically select a shared printer name. If you already have like a local network and you know the printer name, you can select that. If you're using like a connected internet IP printer, you can select that. If you have some type of Bluetooth printer, you would select this option. If you want to install a local printer that's on your device manually, you would select that. That's what we're going to do. Press next. So you're going to choose a printer port. We're going to start at using existing port. We're going to press next, and typically on this side you would see a whole bunch of a name of the printer that you have installed. If your printer is not currently plugged up, make sure that it's plugged up for it can actually recognize your printer. It would show it right here. They would have different manufacturer names, and inside they would have different manufacturer actual printer lists of the different type of printers. Just select the one. If you don't see it, you can click Windows Update, and it would kind of look for the drivers you need for your printer that's plugged into your computer. If you have a physical disk, you can click physical disk and just navigate to where the printer drivers that's on your computer in the disk. And then finally, once you select that, you press next. You select a printer name, you press next one last time, and then the process of installing your printer would start. Keep in mind, we do tech support. If you need help, we can remote into your computer and help you with your tech problem. Just text the number on the screen or find the number in the description. Also, you can check us out at repairmystuff.net. As always, I'm your favorite tech out. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.